Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can create your Google Cloud Skills Boost account. Simply, go to your web browser, search, click on this site, then you will see the website. Then click on the Join. Enter your details. If you are a working professional, then enter your company name, and if you are a student, then include this. Click on the checkbox if it is not enabled. Then verify yourself. Now click on Create Your Account. You will see this kind of pop-up. Then check your mail inbox. You will find this kind of result. So, click on the Confirm email address. Then, you will see this kind of page. Log in with your details here. Thank you for watching.